So I don't know if I ever told you guys how much I love woodworking, but what I've got here on the table is I've got a bunch of pieces that were left over from a project that I finished a few months ago. And I just hate to see these pieces laying around going to waste. So I figure the best place for me to keep them is on my wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start moving them around and arranging them and see if I can design some sort of rustic wall hanging art piece. So I already told you guys how much I love woodworking, and it all started about 27 years ago when I got a job framing houses. And after that, I started doing all the other things that you would do when you work on a house, like hanging doors and installing windows and building decks and fences and doing all sorts of other projects. But I really found that more than anything else, I enjoyed doing finished carpentry. So in 2006, when I decided to become an artist, I really didn't know how good of a painter that I was. So I told myself that no matter what I lack in painting skills, I'll make up for by making a really nice rustic wood frame around the artwork. So I did that for a while. And then just a few years ago, I remember I saw a piece of wood and I thought, you know what, this piece of wood is so beautiful that why not just use the piece of wood as the artwork and build a frame around that? So that's just the really quick version of the story about how I ended up making these rustic wood wall hanging art pieces. And this piece here is a symbol of just how much I love woodworking. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and good luck on your next woodworking project. Oh hey, you're still here. I guess I figured you'd be long gone by now. But since you're still here, there is something that I want to tell you guys. So doing a project like this definitely requires some carpentry skills. But just as importantly, it requires putting your heart and soul into the work. But making a video like this requires a completely different set of skills. So there's actually a whole lot going on behind the scenes that you guys don't get a chance to see. And doing that work is a very fine group of individuals. And they're known as me, myself, and I. So me did the camera work on this project. Hey me, come on out here for a minute and say goodbye to everybody. And myself did the directing. Hey myself, come on out here for a minute and say goodbye to everybody. And I did the editing. Hey I, come on out here for a minute and say goodbye to everybody. Oh, and there's one more person that I want to introduce you guys to, and that's our production assistant, yours truly. Hey, yours truly, come on out here for a minute and say goodbye to everybody. So he does stuff like make the coffee in the morning, run on out, pick us up lunch, and he just does all sorts of other things that the rest of us just don't have time to do. So we want to thank you guys for sticking with us till the very end, and we hope to see you on the next one. Take care now.